Hi, thanks for joining us in our how-to in two. Today we're going to talk about Revive. Now, Revive comes in two different styles of product. One's called Revive Startup Cleanup, which you can see on the screen. It has the spray nozzle, and then the other one's Revive Weekly, which comes in a typical quart bottle. The great thing about these is with Revive, you can use it as a flocculant, so it actually drops all of the precipitate that you don't want in the water to the floor instead of a typical flock. This actually is in a sand, so you can vac it out. It makes it so that the pool can get clean within 24 to 36 hours, depending on how cold the water is. If you want it used as a clarifier, you use the Revive Weekly, and let the filter do all the work. So the dosage rate is 4 ounces of Revive Weekly per 10,000 gallons. You can use more if you think you need to, especially if the water is really messed up. You cannot overdose with Revive, so you're good to go with that. If someone says, oh, I put in a whole bottle on accident, no big deal.
That's fine. It's man logic proof.
Yes. Yeah. Especially, we don't really follow the directions that well. So the great thing too is you can spray it over the top. It's 24,000 gallons per quart. So, however much you need, you can use. It's very awesome. The great thing about this is if we go to the next page, you can see that Revive actually works in all pools. It doesn't really matter what style of pool that you have. Just want to make sure that the chlorine is under between 25 and 30, alkalinity under between 250 and 300. You want them lower than that. And the pH can be anywhere between 7.0 and 8.0. The biggest thing to keep in mind is that Revive works slower in colder water, but the cool thing is that when it drops the precipitate out, it stays out until you vacuum it out. So if you vacuum on Monday, or if you spray it on Monday, you can vacuum it out on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or whenever. So that's it. Revive is very easy to use. You can use it pretty much anytime. You can use it in any pool, and we're good to go.
Welcome to versatility.
Yes.
If you have questions on anything that we covered here today, feel free to call or text us at 877-274-7261. And if you're on social media, be sure to like, follow, and subscribe to our channels on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. And you'll find us on the World Wide Web at apiwater.com.